There we go. I was expecting this to come. Unboxing. Let's see what we have here. 3 of my Texlar tripods. I don't think you need me to open up all 3 now, do you? Let's just do 1. Oh, that's one of these came. Oh, this is going to be fun. Trying to figure out how to get this one doing. That might work. Come on out of here. There we go. That's how it went. You never know. Well packaged. Here's our extra mount stuff. Remote. Let's see. Some directions. Yay! Support. This thing looks like a mount of some sort. Probably for the tablet. Have this. And we have a tablet mount. This is for taking a full-size tablet. I like that. Plastic, but that'll work. And it's got open. I didn't have any trouble opening it. Wonder if this thing will... Whoa, look at that. Oh, I see. It gives you a little extra there. And it kind of even flicked out. I'm going to do that once for me. Oh, there we go. Look at how far that thing goes out. And then this... Oh, okay, so you fit it to your book just under where it needs to go, and then you just have little spring tension, so you don't... I like that design. This I'll have to read the directions. Oh, that's the remote. And this is perfect, exactly the way I wanted it. Nice mount for my camera. I can just get it a full 180 degrees just as advertised. Won't be able to get the tilt, but who cares? I mean, you can get around that by just changing this. These legs seem pretty sturdy. I like the fact that we have a nice little knob here. And these are just nice and sturdy. Oh, I love grooved. These are even grooved. Oh, look at this. I'm glad I bought 3 and didn't wait. Sometimes you get it right and sometimes you don't. I think on this one I got it right and they got it right. I would have preferred having this come straight to a head and just have this mount be just a screw and have things screw into it. But other than that, it's not too bad, because if you really do want full control, you get a mini head and put it on there. But for the price, this thing is great, and it is long. Woo! Maybe I'll flip you up and show you. Let's see, I'm 5'8". This is probably about 5'4". And although I do have it kind of narrow down there, but I love it. I'm pushing down a little hard on it, and it's holding. I give this a thumbs up, and I'd buy it again. Woohoo! Not a bad little tripod. I got 3 of them because, why? Because 2 for lights, 1 for camp. Well, actually all 3 for lights maybe, and maybe another tripod for, maybe I should have gotten 4. Who knows? They're great. Love them. Bye-bye.